Hi everybody! Today we are going to be creating magic squares. So let's get started. Magic square was created by Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician. We are going to be making two magic squares. The first one is his own magic square, and the second one is a little bit easier one. First, we are going to be looking at the actual one that was created. Here is the formula for creating it. Here is my grid. I took the 2nd August 2012. Now let's use that formula to create our magic square. Here is our second row. First, it is year plus 1, which is 13. Then it's century minus 1, which is 19. Then it's month minus 3, which is 5. Then it's date plus 3, which is 5. Here is our third row. Month minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, 6. Then date plus 2, which is 4. Then year plus 2, which is 14. Then century minus 2, which is 18. Here is our fourth row. Century plus 1, which is 21. Year minus 1, which is 11. Date plus 1, which is 3. Then month minus 1, which is 7. Do you want to see the magic in these numbers? Let's see. If we add the rows, it will be equal. The sum of any column is equal to . The sum of the diagonal numbers are equal . If we add up the numbers in the four corners, it will be 42. 2 plus 12 plus 21 plus 7 is 42. If we add the numbers that are circled in green, the answer will be 42. And if we add the numbers that are circled in black, the answer will be 42. 20 plus 8 plus 3 plus 11 is 42. And 6 plus 13 plus 5 plus 18 is 42. If we add the numbers in blue together, we will be getting 42. And it's the same for the numbers that are circled in pink. The sum of the numbers in the middle will be 42. If we divide this into quarters and if we add the numbers in each quarter, we will be getting 42. For example, 2 plus 8 plus 13 plus 19 is 42. Here is our magic square, which has lots of magic in it. Do you know what a magic sum is? It's the number when we get if we add the numbers together in any format which I showed you before. The magic sum of this magic square is 42. That's interesting, right? Now we are going to make a magic square that's easy to make. So let's see how to do that. For making that, you will be needing a 3x3 grid. Use this formula for creating this magic square. You could take any number, but I'm taking the number 8. Step 1 is to add 2 and write it in the right side and subtract 2 and write it in the left side. Step 2 is to add 1 and write it on the upper right hand side corner and subtract 1 and write it on the lower left hand side corner. Step 3 is to add 3 and write it on the upper left hand side and subtract 3 and write it in the lower right hand side. Step 4 is to add 4 and write it in the top and subtract 4 and write it in the bottom. If we add up any column, it will be 24. The sum of any row is 24. And if we add up diagonally, the answer will be 24. The magic sum is 24.